Moritz Wood and Metal is a full-service custom metal fabricator based in Cleveland, Ohio. Transforming ideas into reality, we are a confluence of industry and fine art professionals with diverse backgrounds in fabrication, design development, and artistic direction. As a regional leader for almost 20 years, we create unique and limited production objects for architecture and public spaces. Moritz Wood and Metal services include design, concept development, detailing, fabrication, and consulting. In addition, we facilitate and manage project installations. We work with private individuals, architects, municipalities, museums, and industry. Moritz Wood and Metal helps our clients transform ideas into finished form. The enduring quality of our work is the result of attention and respect for details. It is through the restoration of old metalwork that owner Mike Moritz became aware of how metal projects fail over time and how construction details make the difference between 10 and 100-year durability. This experience informs the quality Moritz Wood and Metal brings to everything we build today.